Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? This is a really cool piece here. Jim went out and had custom framed, but this is from the Gold Seal Sparkling Wine Company out of New York. It's a tin framed lithograph in wonderful shape. It basically looks like a framed picture here. But if you're into vintage Bruania advertising or anything in New York in general, or just want something great for the walls, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.